Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I will teach you how to turn off comments in Facebook. For this one, you have to open Facebook application, scroll down, and you have to make a post, or you can adopt this method on existing post also. So we'll make a post and then we'll post this one. After posting, you have to click on these three dots and then you have to click on who can comment on your post, and then you have to select profile and pages you mention. Click on done. After posting, you have to copy your profile link and you have to log into Facebook with any other account. And you have to search your profile here. Click on search. Click on your profile. Scroll down. So here you can see we have successfully hide comments from our Facebook post. So in the same way, you can also hide comments in Facebook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.